Hello, my dear viewers! Welcome back to Write and Learn with Isang. Well, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of applying for Weblio. Well, from filling out the application to passing the interview and securing your spot as a tutor. So if you've been thinking about becoming a Weblio tutor or you're just curious about how it works, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. Step 1 is the application form. Well, to start, simply go to their website and click Apply button. But before you do that, make sure you meet the qualifications. So, you need to be 18 years old or older, fluent in English, and computer literate. No teaching experience? No problem. You don't need prior experience to apply. So once you meet the qualifications, you can submit the form and move on to the next step. After submitting your application, you'll get an email with a link to take the grammar test. And this step is critical. You must pass the test to move forward to the interview stage. And now, the test will assess your grammar, vocabulary, and general English skills. So just take your time and answer carefully. Next is the technical requirements check. This is where you'll confirm that your computer setup meets Weblio standards. And make sure your internet connection, microphone, and webcam are all working well. And you'll need this for online teaching, so it's important to have everything ready. Okay? Once everything checks out, you'll be one step closer to your interview. And after the technical check, you'll be invited to the test call and interview. Wow. So this is a 10-minute interview where you'll be asked situational questions to assess your communication and problem-solving skills. So you need to be clear, concise, and confident in your responses. You'll also be asked to check a sentence for grammar errors. So if it's correct, just confirm it. If not, offer a brief correction. So keep your answer short and to the point. Now, once you've passed the interview, you'll receive an email with a link to the new tutors workshop. And it's very important to attend this workshop as it covers everything you need to know to become a Weblio tutor. And here's the catch: no reschedules. So make sure you're available at the scheduled time. The workshop will go over Weblio's teaching guidelines, platform, and expectations. So make sure you're prepared to take notes and ask questions if needed. Now, after the workshop, you'll move on to the demo lesson. Weblio will send you the lesson materials and detailed instructions via email. So you have to follow these instructions carefully because Weblio is very strict about adhering to the guidelines. Now, the lesson material is already provided for you. So all you need to do is follow the steps and present the lesson as instructed. Make sure to prepare and deliver the demo lesson as accurately as possible, and don't skip any of the required steps. Now, once you pass the demo lesson, you'll need to submit some additional requirements. And this includes your identification documents and other verification papers. Now, Weblio will provide you with the details of exactly what you need to submit via email. Be sure to submit everything promptly to avoid delays in your application process. Now, after your documents are verified, Weblio will release your tutor profile. And this is where you can set your schedule, update your availability, and start preparing for your classes. Now, your profile is your chance to shine, so make sure to fill it out completely and professionally. So this is where you get to show potential students a little bit about you, your experience, your teaching style, and what you offer as a tutor. Finally, once your profile is live, you officially become a Weblio tutor. Congratulations! So you'll start getting students who are interested in learning English, and you'll begin your journey as a tutor. You can set your hours, teach at your convenience, and help students improve their English skills. So that's the full process. You've gone from applying to becoming a Weblio tutor. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it gives you a better idea of what to expect when you apply. If you have any questions, well, you can drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Weblio application.